Hey, ooh, yeah, let's go. Outshine October. Hyundai, outshine October. Hyundai.
Hola, hola, and welcome to the Outshine Challenge, Mashonaland Central. I'm your host, DJ Chronic. So this week, Manje talked about raising cancer awareness. Because for the ladies, last time it was Mono, my ladies this time. So this is what's happening. Mashonaland Central and everyone around, they're collaborating, they're participating, they're throwing in their content, showing out how far. And then the challenge manager this time was nursery rhymes. And it's so this is what's happening now. Aninga winner, first challenge, first prize is the same. We're going on 2 free videos, and then director and anyway for everything will be sorted out. The second prize is gonna be 1. But all of that is not just limited to my music videos. Kunima sponsors, kunima brand ambassadors. So this is your chance, right? Shine because it's outshine. So outshine competition is all about creativity. So these are the 5 most creative videos. Check them out.
Iwe tuteni Tandura makubula Chipesa Rekandimbo shaura Nchila zisiti Aerodrome sa ite Isu taitambaka sikende Tichienda kutemu na chete Tikapeta toroba chisheru Tichienda kutemu manuru Isu taitamba sikende Tichienda kutemu na chete Tikapeta toroba chisheru Tichienda pateni manuru Isu tairoba katia Yanga iri hobi mutapuropea Isu tairoba kakidokea Sisi shikafu vachitigira Ahi inai isuluna musai Mutambo uyu waidi wana mai Ivaititi Mana wangu mukai Mutampeka ke mukai kai Kana musai Isu taitamba sikende Tichienda patemu na tete Tikapeta toroba kiteru Tichienda pateni manderu Isu tai bombo kla
Anganga, all about that you. You only have time, you don't touch. You wangu kadea chero wakati uri mutema tondikea murungu musope kana muganda ya chero ndichikuda zvakawana sambogaya wangu ini agare pasi anogara sofa chete wangu ini hadye nyama anodya mbora chete sarura wako kadea nendoro chena takakusarudza ndiwe usanisiye ndichichema sarura wako kadea nendoro chena takakusarudza ndiwe usanisiye ndichichema mumwe anoti wake mutsvuku mutsvuku anobva kumabhuku hanzi muzukuru watileti tuku ndakamujuma paindiri kushokwa gutu manje nini wangu mutema akandisira upenyu unorema anondiunzira chiedza ndiri murima anondipukuta misodzi ndichichema sarura wako kadea nendoro chena takakusarudza ndiwe usandisiye ndichichema sarura wako kadea nendoro chena takakusarudza ndiwe usandisiye ndichichema mumwe anoti wake musope ndiye wanorota kuhope ndiye anoita kuti asave nyope saka molavhu rega nditope manje nini wangu mutema adye nyama anodya mubora asina basa nyange mukamushora ini naye roigo rudo rwakakora ende futi agare pasi anogara sofa chete wangu ini hadye nyama anodya mbora chete sarura wako kadea nendoro chena takakusarudza ndiwe.
They were nursery rhymes. Get it? We understand. Check these guys out for more.
Yeah. It's Yama. Sarura rako kadea ndipe lebo rangu ritima kadea ndipe lebo cool as not ya kadea ndipe lebo wachi hauna mate ndipe cherupia sarura rako kadea ndipe lebo rangu ritima kadea ndipe lebo cool as not ya kadea ndipe lebo fill it up. Yeah, black label, fill my cup. In the beer, I dip a dive. Counting straight, I'm feeling now. Fish my fingers and tear my tears. I'm going home, I'm in a rush. Black and black like a melanin. I'm important and feminine. Yeah, see ya. See ya, need back to see ya. So gonna come with you. Lefanga kuchiva. In the formativa. Andrago muzia. Sanete monira. Posta pick pa isa. Yeah.
Don't feel no. Yes, me at ear. Empire. Domitamba tichikura. Domitamba tichikura. Yeah, do some nana, do some nana. Exodima, exodima, dima. Choka marafe. Choka marafe. Come on, push you break it. Come on, push you break it. Do mduri. Sino diam duri. Tino tendam duri. Kitam duri. Nakitam duri. Dom tamba tichikura. Dom tamba tichikura. Dom tamba tichikura. Yeah. Dom tamba tichikura. Dacha. Itaja kozie. Jeku jambira mumvura. 1 up to 10. 1 dacha 2 dacha 3 dacha 4 dacha 5 dacha 6 dacha 7 dacha 8 dacha 9 dacha 10 dacha. You see me never, the boy. It is the records.
Hi guys, my name is Cherry J, contestant number 14. Today I will be doing something from the preschool, Kumataganana. Amuka.
That was wonderful. That's like top creativity. Exactly. Did you see the girl with the baby? So this is how you vote. You have to be, first of all, in the WhatsApp group. That's a good thing. So you have to be in the WhatsApp group, and the link to the group is in the description. Just scroll down low, and then you'll find it there. Click it. When you're in the group, my videos upload. What you want to do is long press the button, just the video. There are 3 dotted icons on the top. You click that and then there's a section that says reply privately. You use that so that you can communicate with the voters panel and then drop your vote for today and now you can vote for 2. That's so freaking amazing, right? You can vote for the one video that you favor and then the other one, they are going somewhere and we need them to go somewhere. Let's get to voting. So get this clear. Pakuvotera 2 papa. And there's the first category of the first 5 creative videos that you saw. Now there's the 5 promising videos, right? So that's where we need you for the second vote. We are promising talent. I mean, there is time and there's room for growth. That's what we want to use. Let's get it going.
Fede Tigress, me na feda the contest plus me the fitness, but it's dang I almost 10x my name. Make up your version of a nursery rhyme. Try to fit in, don't turn back this time. Quiz the pest, don't turn back, no stressing. Nursery rhyming, quizzing your version. Clap it now we shake it, clap it, shake it now we clap it, shake it. Clap it now we shake it, clap it now we clap it, shake it. Alphabet from A to Z. A for alpha, B is for vertical, C is the reason why them kite quitting. Don't demonstrate, they can diss me. Alphabet from A to Z. A for alpha, B is for vertical, C is the reason why them kite quitting. Don't demonstrate, they can diss me. Clap it now we shake it, clap it now we clap it, shake it. Clap it now we shake it, clapping now we clap it, shake it. Alphabet from A to Z. A for alpha, B is to vertical, C is the reason why them kite quitting. Don't demonstrate, they can diss me.
Peter Pan sitting on a hole. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Yeah. Peter Pan sitting on a hole. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Yeah. To wish like this. To wish like this. We used to sing it in nursery school. It sounded like a nice tune, but now Zago Yitiga Muketo, life yato. I see po. Every day gotta hustle. Every day gotta push upon the presser. Every corner, whether Udi rush the poster, you gotta work harder. Every corner, would you eat a foster? Get what you want. Like Peter Pan. Waka 150 cents, make it $1. Which I eat down there, we're on the corner. Yeah. Peter Pan, sitting on a wall. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Sing with me. On a wall. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Let's go. To wish like this. To wish. I know you know this song. To wish like this. Yeah. Peter Pan sitting on a hole. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. To wish like this. Peter never read it. Now she got DJ Taffy 210. Wangu mutuku beanendara tena. Wangu muda. Wangu mutuku yeah. Wangu muda. Hanzine mumwe, wangu wakabatana hanzine mumwe, wako wakanyangara hanzi waningi, umanana, sarura wako, kadea, pinda, chora wako, tambane wako, usanyarane wako, sarura wako, sarura wako, sarura wako, sarura wako. Mumwe anoda musava, mumwe mutuku, mumwe kasenda, akabva kumabuku, mumwe anoda chitema, yango chiri chirema, akatochisaya, musoro unotema, mumwe anoda mukaranga,
mumwe mundau asina basa anoimbira nyau, mumwe anoda muchinese anoti zhingzhang akakama anotombiga. Sarura waka, sarura waka, sarura waka, sarura waka. Saka high class yako kune mumwe low class, kaunoti wafeila kune mumwe pass, noda mumwe usazvitarisire pass, mumwe achitonowa mumwe anoda jazz, saka pinda paground. Sarura wako wakakosha kunge paundi, musarudzi muimbire zviri loud, usanyare kufamba naye nyange pacrowd. Sarura wako, sarura wako.
Million, a climax, violin, are you 210, entertain, your BMS, not your every tongue, Gaza. Taitamba sikende pa ushangwari wedu, panoshika maneru kuchesheru pa ushangwari wedu, sikende pa ushangwari wedu, panoshika maneru kuchesheru pa ushangwari wedu. Batakako kachimoko mova musaina solo, zvezofadza pamsoro, Amina Jackson ju kadeya nendoro chena, taitamba shika kwa chena numwezi muchena. Million climax, sikende pa ushangwari wedu, panoshika maneru kuchesheru pa ushangwari wedu, sikende pa ushangwari wedu, panoshika maneru kuchesheru pa ushangwari wedu.
Pakwedu kwa kazarwa mwana wacho ndi Lincoln brain, mwana wacho ndi Lincoln brain, anogona tamba Amina kadeya. Sarura wako nendoro chena, sarura wako nendoro chena, iwe sikende sadza wajgaere, sikende sadza wajgaere, sadza wajgaere. Imi tarisaim kati shumbai noruma, tarisaim kati shumbai noruma, yakaruma ani ka iweneni, yakaruma ani iweneni. Country gang, country gang, country gang.
Right now, my producer is able to director video last scene where this is what I'm gonna do for you. So DJ Chronic is gonna be bringing you jam rock weekends from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, kushka Sunday. Imagine that, right? So it's gonna be 4 complete days of a weekend and 3 days weekend. No, this is like lockdown time. We need like 4 days of weekend. So this is what's gonna be happening. We're gonna be inviting my guest DJs. They're gonna come on the show, and then to share my decks, manangara baba. Also introducing under the Jam Rock weekends, it's gonna be a show called Just DJs Music and Talk Show. Nice music and chat show. Right, so the DJs come, we have our decks, and we're making music, and then we're also having a conversation. So to join the conversation, the link is also down there. Just use the link down there, and then you join the group on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook. The conversation is gonna be there. We're gonna be talking about artists, we're gonna be talking about music, so you got to be in the conversation. Live, baby. So the first challenge was summer in lockdown. Summer in lockdown. That was good. And then the second one, that was nursery rhymes. I mean, that was my favorite. Nursery rhymes. So nursery rhymes was a good thing. And then the third challenge, wait for it, refix, remix, or redo. Which one can you do? But it's not gonna be your song, it's gonna be someone else's song, a popular song. So you go for Bob Marley, you go for Bunny Wailers, you go for whoever you want. But then we just want to see your creativity on redoing Shakatanga Gutwa. Let's go. So here's the news of the week. A lot is happening everywhere. But specifically Medumunom, there's something called the Pinktober. I don't know if you've heard about it. So here's what's happening. We're trying to raise awareness for breast cancer. So from the 6th of October, my challenge is Agadotanga until the end of the month. There's gonna be a whole lot of challenges, my poster challenge, my music challenges, whatever challenge, pink challenge, wear pink any day, pink the day because it's your day, right? So they're gonna be public lectures, which I'm going to talk about cancer, but I'm not going to sort what's really happening because you look better one day and then families are dying and whatnot. So we really need to know how best we can help in the society to deal with this kind of thing, right? So Pinktober is our thing. Please just represent, just wear something pink, just talk about something pink, just post anything pink. So check out on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. It's at the Creatives Hub Africa, the Experiment ZW, 210 Entertainment, Wild World Entertainment, my vendor, like everybody's just like down there on the description link. Just go there, click a button and see what's happening. That's the news for today. Majeda Matiza, Fast and Furious, and those are good ones. But we got another one representing Bendora, straight off the stable, Danyard Records, right? Produced and curated by 210 Entertainment. Raj Warukunzere Outshine. Now how about that? It's your boy T-Flex Styles Zanzi. Chishe. Let's go.
Anotsikanga sirikuda look fashion cherukana kushida ngati tamba chisero tasangana mane baby dance skeleton ngati tamba chisero tasangana mane shaki ya body baby ma adapati ya vile bonde sa Versace skata madinga ne karati natoramba vya kusepa papi no wahala if you take me into loving arms, chop your banana. Now forget to make you shine like charms. You are my sweet mommy, baby my sweet darling. You deserve it indeed, daddy. So let's dance around together in a sunny weather. China mountain see and dead, and I put you on the road, my tender. So baby we are. So baby we are. So baby Buddha. So baby Buddha. Cheza majaiba. 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 Oh baby we are. So baby we are. So baby Buddha. So baby Buddha. Cheza majaiba. 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 Cheza, twana, cheza. Cheza, twana, cheza. Choya chikumba, chirasha sima zimba kupa. Anotsikanga sirikuda.
Thank you once again, guys. Thank you so much. It's been lovely having you on the show. Outshine competition. Challenge 1 is done. Challenge 2 is done. Are you ready for challenge 3? Don't forget to click the subscribe button down there, hit the like, hit the little bell icon so that when something new pops up, like the new video we just talked about, Chisha is gonna come anytime soon, so you need that bell on so that music video, I don't wanna lie to you. So good, this is how it's gonna be. Please check out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Sasai, even EcoCash. We are there. Talk to us, we are your guys. Outshine, let's make it shine.
Playing on my game. I love you. I love you. So baby Buddha. So baby Buddha. So baby Buddha. So baby Buddha. chema wai. Black boss are the big deal. Black boss are the real big deal. Reset, lady.